Let me guess. You've studied a language for months, maybe years. You recognize words, you understand YouTube videos, kinda. But when it's time to speak, your brain goes blank. And the worst part? You did put in the hours. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your problem isn't intelligence, it's how long you're studying. Yeah, too long. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you why 20 minutes beats 2 hours, and why nobody tells you this. But first, quick story. Back in school, before exams, I used to do this thing. 6-hour study sessions. Phone on the desk, music playing, notes open. I felt productive. I was exhausted. And then, on exam day, nothing stuck. Same thing happens with languages, and the reason is sneaky. Let me explain. Your brain isn't designed for marathon focus, especially not in 2025. Notifications, dopamine, short videos, endless scrolling. So when you say, "I'll study for 2 hours," what your brain hears is, "Let's suffer." And what does it do? It resists. It zones out. It forgets. Here's the scary part. The longer you force it, the less it remembers. So what's the fix? Not motivation, not discipline, a rule. It's called the 20-minute rule. You study a language for 20 minutes, that's it. No just one more video, no I'm in the zone now, you stop. And I know what you're thinking, that's not enough. Good. That thought is exactly why it works. Let me break it down. Step 1. One goal per session. In 20 minutes, you don't learn a language. You learn one tiny thing. One grammar pattern, 5 useful sentences, one short conversation. Not everything, just something specific. Because clarity kills overwhelm. And here's the cliffhanger. What you do in minute 21 matters more than minute 1. I'll explain. Step 2. Stop while it still feels easy. Most people stop when they're tired. That's the mistake. You stop when it still feels doable. When your brain says, "Wait, we could keep going." That's how you train your brain to want the next session. Miss this step, and motivation dies. But there's one more rule that changes everything. Step 3. Active or passive. No passive watching. No background podcasts. No, I understood it, so I learned it. In those 20 minutes, you must produce. Say it out loud. Write it. Explain it like you're teaching someone. Because recognition feels like learning. Production is learning. And this is where most people panic. Good. That means you're doing it right. Why this sticks? Short sessions mean less burnout, better memory, and 0 procrastination excuses. You don't need motivation for 20 minutes. You need a timer. And here's the crazy part. Do this daily for a month, and you'll outperform someone doing intense study once a week. Consistency beats intensity. Every time. To summarize, if language learning feels heavy right now, that's not failure. That's your brain asking for a better system. So tonight, don't promise yourself a new life. Just promise 20 minutes. No pressure, no guilt, just progress. And tomorrow, do it again. That's how languages actually stick. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment.